Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, now today we are going to study lesson 13 National Parks. Okay, children, what do you mean by National Park? National Park is a place where there are lots of plants, trees, animals. Okay, here mostly we see the wild animals, okay, wildlife, and plants and trees also, okay children, and it consists of mountains, then there are rivers, lakes, okay, and here the animals are kept protected and safe, okay, and there are many national parks in our country, okay children, and these are famous in India, okay children. Now you should know about them, that which national parks are there in our country India, okay. Now you all know that we also require a house for staying or keeping us safe, okay children. In the same way, animals are kept safe. Which animals? Wild animals or even the domestic animals are kept safe in these national parks, okay children. Now today we will read the short story about these, okay, national parks, okay, and then we will solve the exercise given, okay, in further. Now the girl is saying, I am told our national animal tiger is on the verge of extinction. Means the girl is saying that, you all know children, which is the national animal of our country? It is the tiger. Now the tigers are coming to an end. Their numbers are decreasing because they are not safe, they are not kept protected. So, okay, and extinction means they are going to be not seen after few days. Okay, you all know that in our country India there are only thousands tigers left. Okay, okay children, so we have to protect our national animal tiger, okay children. And you all know other animals are also important, okay, this is our wildlife, okay. You all know there are different wild animals also, like elephant, deer, giraffe, monkey, lion, cheetah, okay. These animals are kept in these national parks, so we have to take care of these national animals, okay. Now the boy is saying, yes, but our government has launched a project called Project Tiger to save the tigers from getting extinct in India. Now the boy is saying that our government has launched a project, okay. In what is the name of that project? That the name of that project is Project Tiger, to save the tigers, okay, so as to save them, okay children, and protect them from getting extinct in India, okay. Now the girl is saying, I remember we often see hoardings stating, save the tiger, save wildlife. We all know children that we hear this slogan, okay, of that, save the tiger, save the wildlife, okay children. Now let's see what's the boy saying. Indu, the project also plans to establish tiger reserves in some areas of the country. Out of all the national parks and sanctuaries in India, 50 have been selected for this scheme. Come, let's go to Grandpa and ask him more about it. Okay, children. Now, this boy is saying to the girl Indu that the project has planned to establish what, children? The project is going to establish or start the tiger river reserves in these some areas of our country. Okay, and out of these national parks, 50 have been selected for this scheme. Okay, that is of saving tigers or of establishing tiger reserves. Okay, children. Now the boy is saying to the Hindu that let us go to grandpa and ask about this. Okay, more to know more about this. Now let us see the question. Hindu made a list of names of some national parks or sanctuaries in India and the places where they are located. But the names of the parks and the locations got jumbled up. Help Hindu to match the two columns. Okay. Now, Hindu had made a list of some national parks, okay, and sanctuaries in India, okay, and the places of where they are located. But the names of the parks and the locations have gone jumbled up. Okay, means it has gone upside down while writing from her. You have to help Hindu match these two columns. Okay, so now let's start, children. Okay, now children, in the column A, the names of the places are given, and in the column B, the names of the national parks are given. Okay, so you have to match this. Okay, now first one is Assam. In Assam, which national park do you see? It is Kaziranga National Park. Okay, you can also draw a line like this or write here C. Okay, children, near Assam. Okay, now second one is Kerala. In Kerala, which national park? It is Periyar National Park. Okay. Now the third one, Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, which national park? Namdapha National Park. Okay, children. Now the fourth one, Haryana. In Haryana, which national park is there? That is Sultanpur National Park. Okay, children. Now fifth one, Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, which national park? That is the Chigam National Park. Okay, children. Now the sixth one, Karnataka. In Karnataka, which national park? We see Nagarhole and Bandipur National Park. Okay. Now in Madhya Pradesh, which national park is there? In Madhya Pradesh, Kanha National Park is there. Okay, E. Okay, children. Now, in eighth one, Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, which national park we see? You see Corbett National Park. Okay. Now, ninth one, Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, which national park do you see? You see Keoladeo Ghana National Park. Okay, children, have you understood? You have to match these. Okay, now let us revise. Okay, in Assam, which national park is there? It is Kaziranga National Park. In Kerala, we see Periyar National Park. In Arunachal Pradesh, we see Corbett National Park. Okay, in Haryana, we see Sultanpur National Park. Okay. In Jammu and Kashmir, we see the Chigam National Park. In Karnataka, we see Nagarhole and Bandipur National Parks. In Madhya Pradesh, we see Kanha National Park. In Uttarakhand, we see Corbett National Park. In Rajasthan, we see Keoladeo National Park. Okay, children? Children, you have to remember the names of these national parks and where are they located. Okay, children? Now, here I have come to the end of our session. Thank you.